Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you the integration of square root of x square minus a square dx. As we know that there are two methods to find its value. Number one is by parts method and number two is substitution method. Here I will discuss the substitution method. Say this is equation number one, and what I can substitute over here, let x equals a sec theta. So dx equals a sec theta tan theta d theta. Substituting the value of x and dx in equation number one, you will get square root x square, that is substitute the value of x square, it would be a square sec square theta, a square sec square theta minus a square as it is into dx. Dx is a sec theta tan theta d theta. Now taking a square common and square root of a square as it is and square root of sec square theta minus 1 and into a sec theta tan theta d theta. And we know that sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. The square root of sec square theta minus 1 would be square root of tan theta, that is tan theta. And square root of a square would be a into a square, and it is tan theta. This a into a will be a square or tan theta, this sec theta into tan theta as it is. It will be a square sec theta into tan square theta d theta. Now sec theta as it is, tan theta from here, tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1 d theta. It would be a square sec cube theta d theta minus a square sec theta d theta. Say this is equation number 2. And we know the integration of sec cube theta. There is a separate video for integration of sec cube theta, whose link is given in the description box. You can go through that link to know integration of sec cube theta. And what is the value of sec cube theta? Let's see. Now it will become I equals a square, and integration of sec cube theta is 1 upon 2 sec theta tan theta plus 1 upon 2 log of sec theta plus tan theta. This is the integration of sec cube theta minus a square, and integration of sec theta we know that log of sec theta plus tan theta plus say c1 or c. It will be a square upon 2 sec theta tan theta plus a square upon 2 log of sec theta plus tan theta minus a square log sec theta plus tan theta plus C1 and adding these two. A square upon 2 log sec theta plus tan theta minus A square log sec theta plus tan theta, it is A square. Adding these two, you will get A square upon 2 sec theta tan theta as it is, and it would be minus A square upon 2 log of sec theta plus tan theta plus C1. Now substituting the value of sec theta and tan theta. Substitute the value of sec theta and tan theta. We had substituted x equals A sec theta. Here, from here we can find out x upon A equals sec theta. And with the help of right angle triangle, say this is theta, x upon A, and we can find out h upon B is sec theta, and it would be x square minus A square. From here you can find out square root of x square minus A square upon A equals tan theta. Using these two values, sec theta and tan theta, and substitute here, say this is equation number 3. It will become I equals A square upon 2 into sec theta is x upon A, tan theta is square root x square minus A square upon A minus A square upon 2 log of sec theta, that is x upon A, plus tan theta, that is x square minus A square square root upon A plus C1. A square will cancel out. It would be simply I equals x upon 2 square root of x square minus A square upon 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus A square minus log of A plus C1 will be a new constant, that is plus C. Hence the integration of square root x square minus A square dx using substitution method we have solved, and it is x upon 2 square root x square minus A square upon 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus A square plus C. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.